Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I told you guys I would bring back the halo looks. I really missed creating them. I used to love doing them so much, so I wanted to do another one for you guys today, and I wanted to do something a little bit more dramatic and bronzy and warm. I'm still going to be doing that colorful halo look that I told you guys about. I really want to come up with some really interesting color combination. If you guys have any recommendations of what color combos you want to see, definitely let me know down in the comments below so I can film something that you want to see. So if you guys want to stick around to see how I created this bronzy, warm, halo, smoky eye, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Urban Decay Naked Heat eyeshadow palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Sauced. First, going in with my E38 Diffused Crease Brush by Sigma, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease, going back and forth, and then doing a little circular motions to start blending that shadow out. I'm now going into He Devil. I'm picking up this shadow on that same brush that I applied my transition shade with, and now I'm just doing that same thing, applying that through my crease, going back and forth all the way into this inner part of my crease, and then start doing circular motions again to start blending this out. To darken up the look, I'm picking up En Fuego. I'm first just going to lightly tap that on the outer part of my lid and then start incorporating that into the crease. So I do little circular motions to start bringing that up through the crease, and then I kind of go in windshield wiper motions to bring that all the way into this inner part of my crease. And then I'm going to do the same thing, lightly tapping that on the inner part of my lid, right here, and then bringing that through that crease. And then just to intensify it, I'm kind of tapping that into the crease, and then doing little circular motions and going back and forth to start blending that out and intensifying that crease area. And then I'm picking up that same shadow I've been using on my E54 medium sweeper brush and really packing that on and darkening up this outer half of my lid. I'm going to keep the center empty of any shadow because I'm going to apply a different shadow in the center. And then doing the same thing on this inner corner, packing that on. And then just connecting that up to that crease. And then to blend this out, I kind of just went back and forth between He Devil and Sauced and picked both those shadows up on this brush and just applying this at the very high point of my crease to help everything blend out easier. So while I'm still using this palette, I'm just going to finish off my lower lash line before I finish off my lid. So picking up He Devil on my E54 medium sweeper brush and applying that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to start smoking that down. And then going in with En Fuego and applying that closer to my lash line with that same brush. And then just blend that out. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Stellar Collision Baked Eyeshadow Palette. I'm picking up this foiled bronze. Look at how beautiful this looks, like liquid bronze. It's so pretty. So I'm picking this up on my finger and I'm going to apply that right in the center of my lid. And then I'm actually going to go a little bit over where those shadows should meet. Just like that. It's so pretty. And then just to help blend everything, I'm going to tap right in between this shadow and that dark burgundy brown. And then right in the center of that crease where that halo is. I'm now picking up this foiled champagne shade. And now I'm picking this shadow up on my pinky and I'm applying that right in the center just to add the slightest bit of dimension and highlight to the center of the lid. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going into Smashbox Always On Gel Liner in Brood. I'm now going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm now going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going into these Tarte X Exterior Glam Lashes in 0 to 100, and that's the eye look done. I'm obsessed with that bronze shadow in the center of my lid. It's so pretty. I really wanted to do a look with just bronze all over my lid, something really like bronzy and summery with like an orange lip. That just sounds so beautiful and so perfect for summer. I still think I might do that using this shadow. It's too pretty not to create another look using it. So for my lips, I'm going to do a nude, and I want to try out this Rimmel Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in Mocha. And And that's it. This is a completed look of my warm bronze halo smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love, love, love how beautiful that center shade is. I mean, I already mentioned I'm obsessed with it, and I really want to do a bronzy look with this literally just all over my lid. I feel like it's going to look so nice. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know down in the comments. So I will definitely do that for you guys as well. And if you want to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, that'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also lists of all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma, which are all the brushes that I used today, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!